So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your laptop screen goes all black very quickly. Even if you don't use a laptop for just a minute or so. Now, in order to fix that, simply open the settings of your Windows. You can easily find settings anywhere. So just simply right click on the start, click on settings. Now here in the settings on the top bar, simply search for sleep time right there, and here you'll see this option of power sleep and battery settings. Simply click over there, and here when you scroll down, you'll see this option of sleep, screen asleep and hibernate. Now here you'll see this option of turn my screen off after on the battery as well as plugged in as well. So make sure that you just simply change the settings to as per your convenience. For example, 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Do this for both of these things, and you'll notice that your laptop will not go black again and again. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.